Hawarite koutou. Are you ready to dance? Are you ready to sing? Are you ready to have some fun? Can you hear the trumpets? That must mean it's toy time! Hōrake tātou. Koutou, nau mai. Welcome to the Toy Time Whare. Ko Maia Aho, and I love aihe, dolphins.
Oh, ko Tama Aho, I love honu, turtles.
Oh, I'm Jojo. Can you guess what this is?
Oh, a shark!
You guessed it. He mako. Sharks are my favourite.
And I'm Wolfie, and this is my best friend Oma. Can you guess our favourite?
We're being a wheke, an octopus.
Ah.
Dolphins, turtles, sharks and octopus all have something in common. Can you guess what it is? I'll give you a clue. It's where they live. The ocean! That's right. I'm so excited because today is all about Tangaroa me te moana, the ocean. Hey, Mōhio.
Tēnā koutou katoa.
Mōhio, what else can you see in the ocean?
The ocean is home to many sea creatures that live in or near the water. The moana is full of plants, shellfish and all sorts of sea life.
Oh, I'd like to explore the ocean.
You can explore the ocean by going for a swim, diving or taking a trip on a boat.
Oh, a boat! Great idea. Ngā mihi nui, Mōhio. It's time to get creative. Are you ready? Hoake tātou. What time is it on? Toy time, it must be mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun. Ahoy, me horses!
Ahoy!
Shiver me timbers, Titiro. It's a pirate ship.
Aye, but it still needs a sail. Can you help me with that?
Well, it's funny you should ask because I have a sail right here.
What time is it on? Toy time, it must be mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun. All hands on deck, are we ready to set sail, me hearties?
Yes, we are!
Heave ho! When I was a young girl, I wanted to sail round
the sea. Spirit of a sailor circumnavigates the globe. The lust of a pioneer will acknowledge no frontier. I remember you by thunderclap in the sky, lightning flash, tempest flare round the horn. If you dare, I just spent 6 months in a leaky boat, lucky just to keep afloat. Da 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 da. Aotearoa, rugged individual, glisten like a pearl at the bottom of the world. The tyranny of distance didn't stop the cavalier, so why should it stop me? I'll conquer and stay free. Ah, come on, all you lads, let's forget and forgive. There's a world to explore, tales to tell back on the shore. I just spent 6 months in a leaky boat, lucky just to keep afloat. Da 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 da.
Kia ora no whānau, it's me, Buster Cuz, back at it again on another new adventure. Today I'm here at Takapuna Beach. I got my spade and I got this. Ooh, can you guess what I'm gonna do? Come check it out. Let's get into it, whānau. Boo, boo, boo. One little circle and one big circle. Okay, let's do it. Check this out. My moat's already starting to fill up with water. Oh, check out all my mean-ass tools I've got to make my sandcastle. Let's get into it, eh? Check out this one. Awesome. Oh, it worked. It's standing up. Let's do another one. Some more little ones, maybe. All right, here we go. That's one, Pahi. Let's do another one. Number 2. Boom. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Okay, what do we need now? What do we need? What do we need? I know. Decorations. Let's do it. All right, we're gonna need some shells. Oh, these ones are beautiful. Tahi, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Look at this. Come on, let's decorate. First, check this out. Nice. That's nice. Oh, last piece of seaweed. Here we go. Hoorah! Mean! Do you know my best part about making sandcastles? Is knocking them down. Let's get a run up. Oh, I better take the flags off first so I don't hurt myself. Awesome, here we go. I'm gonna get a really, really big run up. Better take my hat off for this one. Okay. Starting line. Come on, buzz. Go see it. That's the buzz, my cuz. Have a mean time, ka kite.
I love to be by the ocean. got my sunblock and hat. I love to play in the sunshine. I always slip, slop, and slap. I love to build a sandcastle. I brought my bucket and spade. I love to build a sandcastle. The waves will wash it away. I love to splash in the water. Don't wanna go in too deep. I love to splash in the water. It's so much fun by the sea. Feel the sand between my toes. How'd it get on my nose? Now there's sand in my hair. How did sand get everywhere? I love to be by the ocean. I love to be by the sea. I love to be by the ocean. I love a day at the beach. I love to be by the ocean. I love to be by the sea. I love to be by the ocean. I love a day at the beach.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Cargo.
Cargo? Oh, cargo who?
Cargo, beep, beep, vroom, vroom.
Oh, Buzz!
Kia ora, Maya.
Kia ora, Buzz. Hi, what have you got behind your back?
I'll give you a clue. It's something you can use at the beach.
Oh, swimming. Is it your tog?
Oh, I'll give you another clue. You can use it to catch some yummy kaimoana for dinner.
A fishing rod.
Oi! It is!
Hey! Cool game, Buzz.
Aye.
That's going to be perfect to play at the beach. Me haere taiwa?
Oi! Got fun.
Thanks for bringing us this cool game, Buzz. I've always wanted to try fishing.
Oh, it's easy as. Hey, I'll teach you. All right, here we go. Okay, so that's a fishing rod, okay? All right, and at the end of the fishing rod, over here, there's a magnet.
Oh, yes, I can see that.
Okay, oh, and then on the ika and the objects, there's like a little bit of metal there.
Okay. Oh, and magnets stick to metal.
That's right. So cast your fishing rod out and catch you a kai.
Okay, Buzz. Here I go. Oh, no. Okay.
Okay, get it.
I'm going.
Get there.
Yes!
Oh! Check it out! Maya caught a kamuputu.
A gumboot.
And Nate. Ka pai, Maya. Oh, hey, Maya. Knock, knock.
Oh, who's there?
Water.
Water? Water who?
What are you waiting for? Let's play it again.
Kia ora e hoa, I'm Auntie Anika. You're just in time to join me for a swim. But first, we need to have a little chat about keeping safe, okay? Because you are precious, really precious. Always take your grown-up with you when you go near water. Got it? And not just because they're really fun to play with, but so they can keep you safe, whether it's the beach, the river, the lake, the swimming pool, or even just the bath. Keep your grown-up close and you'll be sweet. Right, Maya? Yes. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
How do you play Simon Says?
Oh, aroha mai, Wolfie. It's really easy and really fun. When I say Simon says do something, then you've got to do what I say.
Oh, sounds easy so far.
Yeah, but if I don't say Simon says first, then don't do what I say. Oh, and I'm going to try and catch you out.
Oh, tricky. I'm ready to play.
Okay, Simon says wriggle like a fecky.
Oh, fecky, an octopus. That's easy.
Simon says swim like an aihe.
Oh, a dolphin. Good one.
Scuttle
Woo.
like a pāpaka.
Oh, pāpaka. A scuttle like a crab. Yay!
Oh.
Oh, no. You didn't say Simon says. Oh, Oma, you win.
But you win for best crab impression.
Hey! Let's play again. Simon says, scuttle like a crab. Boop, 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 boop.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently on the lake. Merrily, 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 life is fun with mates. Row, 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 row your boat gently down the creek. Merrily, 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 let's play hide and seek. Row, row, row your boat gently in the pool. Merrily, 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 life is pretty cool. Row, 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 row your boat gently down the stream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Hey, Mōhio.
Hi, how can I help today?
Mōhio, what's the biggest creature that lives in the ocean?
The biggest creature that lives in the ocean is a pohora, the blue whale. A blue whale can grow to be 30 meters long.
Oh, where? That's as long as 2 buses. Blue whales must be huge.
Kei te tika tae tama. In fact, blue whales aren't just the biggest creatures in the ocean, they're the biggest creatures in the whole planet.
Wow! Kei te mōhio koe ki ngā mea katoa, e mōhio. You know everything.
Kei te mōhio, mōhio. I'm always here to help e hoa mā.
Tēnā koe, mōhio.
Let's go. You and me, we live by the sea. Put on your togs and go for a swim. Well, I can't swim, can you? Well, just to be safe, we can learn. 'Cause water is dangerous. Well, if we learn, it'll be less stress. Stressful for our parents. Let's go. You and me, let's go go to the pools. Put on your goggles and jump right in. Well, I can't swim, can you? Well, just to be safe, we both can learn. 'Cause water is dangerous. Well, if we learn, we can trust our bodies to swim safely. You and me, here we go, swimming for hours, 'cause now we know. Well, I can swim and you can too, and just to be safe, we both learned. You and me, you and me, you and me.
Are you ready to play What's in the Box? Come closer, everyone. I've got something really cool in the box today.
What is it?
Well, it's a surprise.
I love surprises.
I know you do, Tama. So this time, it's your turn to put your hand in the box and guess what's inside.
Okay. Ooh, this is sharp. And it's a bit crunchy. It's got lots of different pieces and it feels a bit stringy. Is it seaweed?
Aye, it's Rimu Rimu. Okay, Tama, second guess.
All right. Oh, this is smooth on one side but feels kind of rough on the outside. It's got little holes along one side. It feels like a shell. Is it angapaua?
Yes, it's a paua shell. Okay, last one.
Ooh, this is round. It has little spiky parts on the outside, one hole at the bottom. Oh, I know what it is. It's an angakina.
That's right, Tama.
Yeah.
It's a kina shell.
That's cool, Maya. All of these things are found in the moana.
That's right, Jojo. They sure are. Hey, let's go see what else we can find at the beach that comes from the moana.
At the beach, I like to play in the water. At the beach, we jump the waves. I like the ocean. The funniest thing at the beach is building sandcastles. And my sister likes to collect shells. There's lots of slimy seaweed. And we always take our rubbish home.
Ko te wāpu rākau tēnei, and we love stories. Not going home. At Auntie Joe's, there are 2 horses, 100 sheep, 3 dogs, and chickens everywhere. Are we there yet? Asks Jade. Nearly, says their mum. When they arrive, Auntie Joe hugs them all tight. Welcome to our whare. Inside are their twin cousins La and Hemi, aged 5.
Jade and Nico hold their mum's hands very, very tightly. Nico wonders if Hemi and La will be friendly. Do you like fishing? Hemi asks. Jade and Nico shake their heads. No. Eels? Jade and Nico shake their heads again. Rock pools? Asks La. Jade and Nico nod. Maybe a bit. Once at the pools, they crouch low to see into the pools. Hemi shows Nico and Jade how to lift little rocks to see if anyone is at home. But you must always put the rock back, Hemi tells them. This one looks like a necklace, says Hemi. This one looks like baby crab and papa crab, says La. Starfish, says Hemi and Nico at the same time. Don't touch, Hemi says when they find a prickly one. Jade, Nico, La and Hemi cannot believe their eyes as they watch the seahorses. Lunch! But the cousins don't hear. All they can see are magical seahorses. Jade decides that she is never, ever, not ever going home. Ever.
Hi, Edita, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Kakite ano, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Kakite ano, we'll see you again. Tō wha soe wha e noho